wondered why your hiccups more than just a funny little tick? Let's break it down, science style. It's with a twitch in the diaphragm, the muscle in your chest that lets you breathe, damn. When it spasms, it moves a little too quick, making a hic sound, that's how it clicks. The brainstem controls it deep in your head, sending mixed up signals. Instead, the epiglottis closes fast, you take a quick breath in, that's when your hiccups will begin. Pick a hiccup, what's the cause? A reflex action with no real pause. The diaphragm twitches and you hear that sound. It's a brain-body mix-up, that's all around. It could happen from excitement, stress, or more. Eating too fast or spicy food you adore. Even cold drinks or air you swallow wrong. All this calls for the hiccup song. Scientists say it's a reflex that's ancient, left from evolution. It's quite patient, it might protect us or help us breathe deep, but for now it's a mystery we keep. Hiccup, what's the cause? A reflex action with no real pause. The diaphragm twitches and you hear that sound. It's a brain-body mix-up that's all around. Signals sent from the vagus nerve to the brain. Sometimes they get scrambled, causing pain. Might be leftover function from way back when. An ancestral jig inside our skin. Hiccup, now we know. It's all in the brain and diaphragm, they put on a show. Next time it happens, don't feel the sting. It's just your body doing its thing. So now, you've all surprised Pete Prize. Hiccups are science in disguise.